Okay, the next part we need for the race car Miata engine rebuild has arrived. It is our replacement Carrillo H-beam rod. So we, when the motor spun a bearing, it damaged one of the rods, so we needed to get a replacement. And that rod arrived in the mail today. So let's open it up. Okay, this is where I work. I don't normally work with wine, well, I always work with dogs, trying to get me to play with them. Okay, anyway, here's the box. I've opened it up, or I've cut it open so that I can have one hand with the camera here. And let's see what ooh, wow, boy, that's kind of flashy. Okay, this is what a Carrillo connecting rod box looks like. Okay, so we only needed one because only the one was damaged, and they still, ooh, wow, they still make the same castings. So this thing is the same exact weight as the ones that are in the engine still. And God, this is really cool. Yeah, so here we have it. This is a Carrillo H-beam rod for a Miata, 1.6 and 1.8. Both use the same rod. And we're using an H-beam because we need the extra rod strength because we rev the engine so high. The current red line, I think, is like $9,000. We're gonna dial that back for longevity and probably set it to like 8,200 or 8,500 or something. But yeah, this rod will be connected to that crankshaft I just showed you not too long ago, and we'll be good to go. So I'm going to take this over to the engine builder, and we'll see great things. All right, I'm super stoked. Yay.